What is going on, guys? We are out in the mountains. We're gonna be doing some fishing and exploring. Let's go. All right, guys, here we go. Hopefully I don't slip. I want to get on this side here. Let's give this a shot right here. All what I'm doing right now is just letting the current take the salmon egg down the stream and see if there's any fish in this little pool right here. Oh, what? Uh-oh. Gotta be careful. I'm gonna jump right there. It's gonna be a little sketchy. Right here. Well, it's because I want to get up on top over there. Imagine if I fall back, bro. Attaboy, Ern. Oh, sketchy as heck. Well, let's move. Gotta find the fish. All right, we gotta find a better spot. Still nothing. Oh, we're on the search. We are on the search, guys. It's freaking awesome out here. Gorgeous. Crispy, fresh, cold. What's up, guys? All right, we just moved locations. We went to the first spot and had 2 bites, nothing serious. So we're actually moving down to a different spot, and I was rigging up because I had my line got twisted up, so I was redoing it up on the where the truck is at, and I hear my friends hooking up to some fish, but so hopefully this spot's a good little area. I'm going to be showing you guys here in a second. Let's see. Check this out, guys. Freaking absolutely gorgeous. Let me get over there.
Nice one.
We got one, baby.
Oh, nice one. Nice one.
No, he came off. Dang it.
This guy.
Check this out, guys. My boy Marcel. Bring it over here, Mars.
Yeah, Cali boys fishing.
Look at that, guys. Beautiful.
There's some big ones in there.
Woohoo! Man, I just lost one, guys.
You got a nice one, bro.
Oh my God, I just had a freaking nice hit. And look, nothing. Bait's gone. All right, guys, we're moving to the next location. I had no luck hooking up with some fish on that. That was about like 25 feet. You had to pull them up. My friend Marcel, he caught, what, how many did you get? 3, 4? 4 brooks in the bag. Mason as well, he hooked one up, and nothing, guys, but it's all right. We still have a lot of more spots. But check this out, guys. I mean, this is just, you know, we're exploring, we're adventuring while we're coming out to our spots. And luckily for Marcel, you know, he knows all these cool spots. And I mean, yeah, this is what we're in. We're in the middle of the forest, finding different little spots like we just did. And just gigantic trees, just beautiful, unbelievable. Really cool, guys.
I never knew that. Holy shit, we got some walk over this thing.
This is pretty cool right here, man. Woohoo! Is it, you okay?
Oh, yeah. I'm so sorry.
We got fish, baby. Yeah. Woohoo! Yeah, baby.
Told you I know my holes, huh?
That's a perfect one. Right on the top of the jaw. Hold on, buddy. Oh, he's slippery. Check that out, guys. No, he almost flew off. Freaking beautiful, gorgeous fish. Heck yeah. Let's put him. Let's catch a couple more and have that that catch and cook, baby. Woohoo! See, Mason? Put them in the trout bag. And all right.
Hook it on the end of that branch.
All right, guys, while we're moving to our next location, we got Mars here leading the way. I just want to let you guys know that I'm using a 6'6" St. Croix light power fast action rod. These rods are awesome. And then I'm using a 1000 series Shimano Stratic. Beautiful, with a 6-pound test. So that's my gear that I'm set up, guys. If you guys were interested, this is what I'm using out here. This is what I used for my pan fishing, and that's what we're doing right now. So I'll see you guys when we find our next spot.
Yeah.
Nice one.
Nice, man.
Heck yeah, baby.
Hell yeah, good job.
Woohoo! Look at that, guys. Look at the colors. Hold on, buddy. Come on. Hold on, bud.
Let it go. Let your shit keep going. Undo your spoon and let it go so you can't see it, bro. Let it go under the rocks.
Look at that, guys.
If you can see your shit.
Gorgeous. Look at that. Oh my God. Beautiful fish, man.
The only reason why I was getting
native,
fish
wild,
is because I was up high. Yeah.
Swallowed it. Let's go ahead and put them in the trout bag, guys. All right, guys. First cast into this beautiful, I mean, just look at this. You know, humongous. I don't even know how old this tree is. Lifted off the ground, man. Just freaking, I don't even know. No words, guys. Beautiful where we're at. Okay. Oh, did that egg fall off? No. It did. I think it did. Fish on, baby.
Again?
Again, nice one. Woohoo!
You got weight on your shit?
Heck yeah, guys. This is, oh my God, this is the biggest one of the day for me. Woohoo! Look at that. Unbelievable. Oh, guys, this is so epic. Oh my gosh. Look at that, guys. I'm just amazed. Just look where we're fishing at. This is unbelievable. Unbelievable. It's going in the bag. Gonna be making a delicious, we're gonna be cooking out here, guys, so I'll be showing you that in a little bit. We got fish on, baby! Sure? That's for sure. Oh yeah. This is 4. All right, guys, Mason just hooked up to the biggest fish of the freaking day. New spot. Mason, get over here, man. Took all day. Took all day, but look at this. Oh, get over here. Yeah. Show us, man. How do you feel, bro?
That was pretty fun.
Heck yeah. So this is what he's doing. He was fishing off of this dam into that pool. Nice size, keeper. You saw it, huh? I knew it, man. Beautiful, guys. Another gorgeous fish. Look at those colors, the spots. What's up, guys? We are done fishing for the day. I do have I did limit out on brook trout, so that was pretty cool. First time coming out here, can't ask for anything else, right? I mean, check it out, Mason. I mean, give them a look where we're at right now. Making a delicious fish trout sandwich, but like I said, guys, it's pretty cool. It's a Berkeley little bag I showed you guys earlier, and keeps all your fish. You know, for example, if you're catching a fish out in these kind of areas, you just literally put it in, kind of put it down, and if you want, you could put a rock on it so it doesn't go anywhere. But I wasn't even putting a rock on it. I was just leaving it because I usually put it in like a little body that the water's not moving, just like how the middle is. But anyways, let's go ahead and clean out this trout, and then we're gonna go up on top and make a delicious fish sandwich out of this trout. So put these guys out for you guys. There you go, guys. So I'm not gonna show you guys all of them, but technically what I'm just gonna be doing with these guys is this. I'm just gonna go from the top of the head and just pull it down, and that technically does the job. And once again, being out here in nature, you could just go ahead and feed the crawdads, if there's crawdads out here, or fish any type of fish, or feed any type of fish. And you just want to go ahead and get that bloodline out of there. Super slippery fish. The water is completely ice cold, man. It's beautiful. It feels great. And that's it, guys. Nice little clean job, and I'm going to be doing these to the rest of them. So I'll see you back up on top. We got the pan nice and hot. We're going to go ahead and add some delicious butter. Butter is nice and melted. Let's go ahead and add these delicious guys here. fit all 5 of them. My limits. We're gonna fit all 5, guys. Look at that, guys, beautiful. I'm just gonna add a little bit more butter here. We got enough for Mason. Mason's gonna be cooking his nice sized trout that he has. And let's go ahead and season up our fish, guys. We're just gonna use Morton salt, regular salt here. And then my delicious Everglades, guys, cactus dust, unbelievable taste. So let's go ahead and put this on there. Actually, now that it's actually getting a little warm, we actually have to just flip them. Let's add the seasoning on this side. I love this seasoning. So good. It goes on anything, guys. Like I said, this is gonna be, I'm gonna be cooking this trout here, and then I'm gonna be taking them off, and I'm gonna be peeling off the meat and putting it inside our delicious fish sandwich, and I'll be showing you guys the ingredients when these are done here. All right, guys, I deboned it. This is all the little bones here. We got everything. They got the skin and the meat ready to go for a sandwich. So let's go ahead and get that deluxe sandwich ready to go. All right, guys, final product is ready to go. Gonna be making a delicious, like I was saying, a little fish sandwich. We got our deboned trout, and we got our lettuce, avocado, tomato, and dill pickle with our slices of bread, and we're gonna be using Kraft tartar sauce here. So let's go ahead and goober this guy with tartar sauce. I love tartar sauce. There you go. Let's put the lettuce down. Tomatoes. Pickles here. And finally, we're gonna put the last veggie in, the avocado, Supreme Deluxe. And obviously what we came out here for, guys, is obviously a great adventure, but also to make or to catch and cook some wild trout here. So let's go ahead and actually just gonna use my hands. I don't have like a little spatula, so check that out, guys. No half-ass in here. Just gonna fully load it. It's my sandwich. I can make it like how I want it. So let's go ahead and put it together. See if I can put them on down. Boom. Squeeze it. And check that out, Mason. What do you think, man? Juicy, huh? Actually, to even get a... Let's get a better look at it, guys. How's that? Delicious. Let's try it out, guys. Wow, that looks, oh my God. Wow, let me get another bite. Oh my God, these little pickles, I've had fish sandwiches. These make a big difference. They make a little, the snap to them, the taste to them, the tanginess helps out with everything. Obviously, we got all the other good ingredients. You guys could do this. I'm just gonna leave that there. I'm gonna clean up everything, but you guys could do this. I mean, look, I came out with two good of my friends. You know, one of them's helping me out videotape right now, and he actually, if you want to show, he actually made his own little fish he's gonna be devouring. He's just helping me out, and obviously it's getting cold on him, but you guys could do this. I mean, you know, we just do that. This is what we do. We come out, have a good time. I mean, look what the earth has to offer, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys, you know, do it. Just go outdoors, have a good time, you know, clean it, eat it, you know, make a nice little recipe, showing you guys what I normally do. But I'm actually just showing you guys. So I hope you guys appreciate it. That's pretty much the end of the video, and I'll see you guys in the next adventure. Not too sure what we have in stake, but I'll see you guys on the next one.